gotta do a mixtape, man.
Let's do it.
Matter of fact, we did one.
We did one. Let's do another one.
We did a few of it. We gotta go in, man. But
Let's
listen,
go.
right now, I'm gonna put Joel Ortiz on the spot.
Yikes.
Invasion Radio.
Let's look through this motherfucker. I'm still putting bars down as I fucking talk to y'all right now. Joel Ortiz.
Slaughterhouse.
Joel Ortiz. Alright. You ready, Green?
Let's go.
Alright. Hopefully everybody's tuned in and listening at home. Got this on record so they can bump it in their phones. This is lock your room door music. Silence your phone, close your eyes. You about to enter the twilight zone. Everybody's looking like Joel Grubb. Feet 5'4" from E1. I smell blood on these Englishmen. They all sound the same. I'm distinguishing. Who feel like hot, I'll fire extinguish him. I represent all the snot nose little dudes who ain't got clothes and don't know the answer to where they pops go. So they turn to the block for parental guidance and guap. Those are the ones targeted when the cops roll. I do this for the EBT card swipers, punching in pin numbers. So what's up?
Hold up. One more time. Run that back. Run that back.
It's down. Please do that again.
Just one more again. One more again. We live.
See how the caller said you gotta rewind it? And please rewind that one time. I need to hear that again, man.
Alright. This is the gutter, man.
Let's go.
Check it. Hopefully everybody's tuned in, listening at home, and got this on record so they can bump it in their phones. This is lock your room door music. Silence your phone, close your eyes. You about to enter the twilight zone. Everybody's looking like Joel Grubb. Feet 5'4" from E1. I smell blood on these Englishmen. They all sound the same. I'm distinguishing. Who feel like hot, I fire extinguish him. I represent all the snot nose little dudes who ain't got clothes and don't know the answer to where they pops go. So they turn to that block for parental guidance and guap. Those are the ones targeted when the cops roll. I do this for the EBT card swipers, punching in pin numbers so much they arthritis. For that underage girl in the store for large diapers. Homes pushing a hoopty, looking through car buyers. I was that little dude wanting to ask you for some chicken, but poverty was so embarrassing and so I didn't. I went upstairs like, please let there be food. Nope, there isn't. So I sat there playing with all the roaches in my kitchen. When they say things like hip-hop's dying, I don't care. Those derogatory statements don't apply to over here. Must be talking to them liars over there. You see, I do this for us. So, dog, I just write what I want to hear. I do this for Sean Bell. Nobody's forgotten you. I do this for Diallo. Yeah, this is what I'ma do. I do this for both kings, Martin Luther and Rodney. Life beat my ass. The hip-hop came and got me. I grew up in a building where piss stained the lobby. We flipped hard cane and nicknamed it Rocky. If Poppy came through with a big chain and cocky, you gonna hear some little dude had a fifth aimed at Poppy. I do this for your man who had the mean J, but never seen the NBA. He went the weed way, but you don't care cause he a legend in your PJs. I do this for every ghetto cause it's ghetto here in BK. I do this cause I know how. I'm Popeye, you niggas Brutus with the vocals. I don't need no pals, associates or friends, so if you trying to be a friend now, associate a check with my PayPal account. Don't like to brag, but I'm the best here. Yeah, oxygen rocking your right and left ear. Yeah, these niggas smog made it less clear. Here, smell that? Yeah, that's fresh air. Don't it feel good to be free? Free of what the radio's forcing on you and me. Free expression, so feel free to keep hating. The rest of y'all that feel like me, I'll welcome you to the free agent. Y'all been eating long enough, stop being greedy. I'ma turn the radio off and watch me a TV. Sitcoms harder than you weak ass niggas. I can't believe that nigga really think he that nigga. Yo, put some ketchup on his track. I will eat that nigga. He sound like a dick. I have my little bitch beat that nigga on my way to worldwide. He's a beat-cat nigga. You see my vocals, bifocals, I will see that nigga. God forbid if something happened and I got to leave rap nigga to get this guap, I be on the block with my weed bags bigger. Ain't got to be a killer, my man, squeeze that trigger. Everything attached to your kneecaps better react quicker. Run like never before or you will be flat, nigga. In the church with the organ holding a B flat, nigga. Ortiz that nigga and that nigga is me. If they don't let me in, fuck it, I smash niggas for free. That mean nobody can't eat. Oh yeah, let's not a soul. Let's battle on stage or right on the rainbow. See who gets that pot of gold. Whatever I spit, not a cold. Whatever it is, out of control. I break out. It's outbreak airborne. I grab all your kids. I got to go. And no, this isn't the hottest flow I've done before, but this is cool. Like when you're 7 years old and the measure of snow got everyone missing school. And the talent difference, dude. I mean, come on, man. It's just huge. I'm an angry saltwater croc. You something they dropped in swimming pools. Other words, you screw with me. Listen, Holmes, you gonna get screwed. I got a couple of missing screws. Please don't.